You want to eat some ice cream?
Go.
Let's go. That is ice cream. And it's a big ice cream.
Ay, maliit ka pa. Nagpakuha ka dyan.
I very like ice cream.
Punta ka na sa Hello Kitty.
Gusto niyo malaman kung saan ang favorite shop ko, ha? Ito lang naman yun. Malapit na tayo. Hindi ko sasabihin sa inyo
Oo, mabangga ka sa likod.
kung ano yun.
Mo,
Para
pinapanood.
surprise. Tara, sundan niyo ako.
Kasi inapaod na like tayo ni Ate Baby. Okay, sabi nga yun, nag-comment na lagi daw yung pinapanood, nakakatawa rin mga
This is my favorite shop, Hello Kitty shop. There's a many things of Hello Kitty. It's a very beautiful. It's
Kaya lang
night
sarado
today.
kasi gabi na ngayon.
It's closed because it's night. Look that.
Look at that. Look at this.
Look at this and this. And many t-shirts of Hello Kitty. I like Hello Kitty. I very like it. Okay, now I go to Garfield things. That. Look at this. And in the shop, there is many bracelets,
Earrings.
rings, and many things. They're beautiful. Do you like it?